The last seminar of this year, 2022, was Belgrade, Serbia. Many hours at the airports, sleeping in different countries, different hotels, lost luggage, and a lot of things that happened. Well, I left Thursday to arrive Thursday, but guess what? I arrived Saturday morning. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you, if I have to do it, I will do it again, because to see the commitment of the people waiting for me, to see the smiles, to see the testimonials, to see how happy people were. This is part of learning that sometimes you have to do hooponopono with no expectations. You never know what is right. And yes, we might know why everything happened, but the most important is that whatever it was worth it. So thank you, Serbia, for giving me so many opportunities to clean. I'm happy and grateful.